Good afternoon, all. This is Nitin Bhone, working as a assistant professor in All India Sri Shivaji Memorial Society Institute of Information Technology, Pune. So today we're going to learn about the vehicle terminology. So look at this picture of light motor vehicle. The motor vehicle frame consists of different parts. So first part is here bonnet. The front side part is called as a bonnet, which includes all the bodies, engine bodies inside. Then this one is the grill. The grill is the passage, airflow passage which is provided for cooling purpose. Then here there is a bumper. This part is called as a bumper. Then this one is the windshield. This front face part is called as a pillar. Basically, the bodies are categorized total into three pillars. A pillar first, then B pillar this one, and then the C pillar. This top side or top frame is called as a roof, and here a rear quarter panel is provided at the back side of the vehicle. Here, to give the shape of the wheel, the fender is provided. The purpose of providing the fender, when the vehicle is running at high speed, due to this high speed, the dust particle will spread. So to avoid the spraying of the dust particle, the fender design is very much important. And this one is the wheel cap. So here the wheel cap is again provided to have the aesthetic. The wheel cap is provided here at the wheel. These all parts are called as a vehicle terminology. Okay. The picture showing the light motor vehicle, that is Ertiga, Maruti Suzuki. Then weight. What is curb weight? It is the total weight of car including engine oil, fuel, etc. But doesn't have passenger and luggage weight. It is measured in kilogram. Basically, the weight of the vehicles are classified into two types, curb weight and the gross weight. So curb weight means what? It is the total weight of car including the engine oil, fuel, etc. but doesn't have passenger and the luggage weight. It is always measured in terms of kilogram. Then gross weight. So if we include the luggage, that weight of the driver, passenger weight, then it is a gross weight. So total weight of the car including engine oil, fuel, and also include the weight of driver, passenger and the luggage, then it will become a gross weight. So we are considering the gross weight and the curb weight when we are designing the vehicle. So it is measured in kilograms. Then power. Maximum power is defined as how fast a work can be done. It is measured in poise or bhp, brake horsepower. So the conversion of 1 poise is equal to 0.988 bhp. Power of the vehicle determines its acceleration and top speed. Then next term, that is torque. These all are the technical specifications of the vehicle. So torque, it's a phenomenon of an object to rotate around an axis when a force is applied. It is measured in Newton meter. So as torque, as all of you know, force into displacement. So the unit is Newton into meter or kg into meter. So 1 kg meter is equal to 9.8 Newton meter. Torque give vehicle its pulling power. Then if we plot the graph between the engine RPM versus the torque, that is in Newton meter, the graph showing along y-axis, that is torque in Newton meter, along s-axis then engine in RPM. So the nature of the graph will be like this, that is the flat torque. So it is the property of the engine to develop sufficient torque so as to pull the vehicle in the entire RPM range. So it is the property of the engine to develop the sufficient torques so as to pull the vehicle in the entire RPM range. Then power to weight ratio. It is the ratio of engine power to its curb weight. Higher the ratio, greater the acceleration. So that is power to weight ratio. Then the common conversions, all of you know. The length is again overall length of the vehicle. It is in terms of millimeter, 1000 millimeter, that is 1 meter. Distance again 1000 meter, 1 kilometer. Okay, volume, that is in cubic centimeter, 1000 cubic centimeter is equal to 1 liter. Weight, that is 1000 gram, that is common conversion. 1000 gram means 1 kg. Power, 1 poise, that is as we have discussed 0.98 bhp, that is the unit of power. Then a torque, 1 newton meter is equal to 1.12 kg meter. Okay, so power again in bhp. These are the abbreviation or the common conversion. Brake horsepower, power is measured in terms of bhp, that is brake horsepower. Torque, newton meter. Turning radius, that is meter. Fuel capacity, that is the boot space, it is in terms of liter. Engine size is cc means cubic centimeter. Length, breadth and wheelbase, again it is measured in terms of millimeter. And engine engine revolution, that is rpm, revolution per minute. Thank you. Thank you all.